we have two projectiles which are launched simultaneously with same speeds, but one at 35 degrees and the other at 55 degrees with the horizontal. Which projectile gets more range and height? Okay, let's see. Let's draw that first. There are two projectiles, one launched at 35 degrees. So here is a projectile with 35 degrees. And you have a second one which is launched at 55 degrees with the same speed. 55 degrees. So that's another projectile, okay? And this angle is 55. It's supposed to be 55 degrees. And the speeds are the same. So this is U and U. Which projectile gets more range and height? Alright. Now, height is immediately something, it's immediately you should be able to see. Since the speed is the same, height only depends upon the angle. So if I call this as the blue projectile B and I call this as the red projectile R, so these are just a conceptual question. The height for the blue projectile must be greater than the height for the red projectile. I hope you can see that. We can easily say that because the speed is the same. If the speed was not the same, then we'll have to use the formula, but otherwise we can just do it. And now comes the range question. Well, remember, in order to understand what the range is going to be, what we need to do, the range is maximum at 45 degrees, remember that. And if the angle is not 45 degrees, then the one which has an angle closer to 45 degrees is the one who gets the maximum range. So let's see. 35 degrees, if you consider, is 45 degrees minus 10. But if you take 55 degrees, that is 45 degrees plus 10. Ooh. You see, both are equally farther away from 45 degrees. Therefore, the answer is obvious. The range for projectile blue must be equal to the range for the projectile red.